Hi guys, in an attempt to make more money from dollar arbitrage in Nigeria, I came across a different platform that we can use with Advcash and make some money from it. The step-by-step process is going to be later in this video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you enjoy it, try as much as possible to interact with it, engage with it, like dropping a comment, liking the video, and sharing it with your loved ones so they can make money from this method. And before I get started, I am Sloo from Sloo Hustle, and you guys are welcome.
Welcome to my screen, and let's get started. So now right here, this is Sloo Hustle. I have a lot of videos I've created in time past. You can definitely check them out and make some money for yourself. Okay, so if you are new time here, or welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I will really appreciate your presence right here. So let's get to Advcash. Okay, I have it open in a different browser right here. Okay, so basically the website is advcash.com. okay, no need for a referral link, just create an account. And of course, you need to fill a form to create an account. You need a phone number, or probably an email address, and a valid password. So I've created my account already, and I'm going to log in into my Advcash account. Okay, so I'll click on here, and one of the things I must pass to log in, I think I need a code sent to my Gmail. Okay, it can send to my Gmail address. Quite simple as that. These guys try to verify whichever time you want to log in, and I think it's something really cool. Okay, that they are doing that for security. Okay, for security. So I have the code here in my email. I'm trying to check it on my phone. Okay, it is 908 567. So I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so and we should be in the account in no time. Okay, now there are a lot of cards working with this before, and it has been very hard for cards to work on this. Okay, so this is a new method. So you can see my account, it says verified. While you are creating the account, it is quite notable to be informed, okay, like a prior information, that you need to upload your driver license. Okay, you need to do an ID card verification. First, you need to verify your phone number, then you have to do a facial verification before you proceed to upload your ID. Okay, and once you are done with that, it doesn't take time. They are going to verify your account and you will be in. Okay, so now that you are in, how do you fund your account? How do you move around and probably load this Advcash with some cash, okay, probably US dollars, and transfer it to whichever destination site, okay, for example Binance, and convert it to naira, okay, and make some differences on it. So for that purpose, we have another site, okay, that we'll be using. Now the site is basically selling some funds or some digital currencies, and you can definitely use that, okay, to buy some dollars, okay, and you pay with PayPal. Okay, PayPal. Now of course your question would be, hey Sloo, PayPal doesn't work in Nigeria. To create foreign PayPal is risky and it's expensive. How do we go about this? Okay, this is quite simple. You won't be needing a foreign PayPal. Okay, just open your browser, go to paypal.com. okay, just go to PayPal. Okay, PayPal, go to paypal.com. okay, and it's going to automatically, if you're not using a VPN, okay, it's going to automatically take you to the Nigerian version of PayPal, which is paypal.com/ng/1. Here you can create your account easily. Okay, you can create your account, and you can basically create your account and you fund your account from here. Okay, so you can use this your PayPal. Okay, we are going to use PayPal to fund our account. Okay, simple as that. So I'm going to click on, normally you click on sign up, but I'm not here to teach you how to create a PayPal account. So I'm going to move away from here and go to the next site, which is our destination, obviously. So this is the website right here. Okay, it is called magnatos.com. okay, magnatos.com. okay, so just write it on your browser and you will see a home page right there. Okay, you see a home page. This is going to be the main page. Okay, so I'm waiting for that to come up real quick. I really want to show you guys the main page. Okay, so it's loading up good. Okay, so this is the main page. It says PayPal, Skrill, Kiwi, Perfect Money, HO Money, or what's it called, Advance Cash, Bitcoin. Okay, so and the like. So you can do your research about this platform. Okay, to be honest, I've not done any research to know their legitimacy and whatever, so I've not done that. Okay, so try to do your research. So you will just go to exchange. Okay, this is an exchange site. Okay, so first thing you want to do is fill this form. Okay, you can choose your email that you want to use. Then this direction right here, it's very important to choose some stuff here. So here is what you want to pay in and what you want to get. Okay, so the first box, we are not paying Bitcoin. Okay, we want to pay PayPal. Okay, PayPal USD, okay, PayPal USD. I want to get advanced cash, okay, not euro, USD as well, advanced cash USD. There are other coins there like SLM and the likes, okay. There's a lot of options, you can check that yourself. I don't want to waste your time with that, but this will just do, okay. We pay from PayPal, because PayPal accepts Nigerian cards, right? All Nigerian cards, and you can do as many as possible, okay. So one thing that is quite notable is when it comes to this issue of arbitrage, or this business of arbitrage, one thing you must know is the volume determines the profitability. If you're using 100,000 naira to run it, you might not get much profit, okay. As 100,000, it's not even up to $200. If you're using about 1 million or more, then you can see that the margin will be quite different. So that being said, you need to enter the PayPal amount that you want to send. Probably let's say $100, okay. So it says here that they charge about 12.9 commissions, okay. That's minimum 5 USD for amount less than $38.76, okay. So right here they are still charging I think this is about 12.9%, and we are going to get 87 here. I think that is quite huge, and it said the maximum you can do is $5,000. That's well over 2 million naira right there, okay. Well over 2 million naira. So it has its rules and regulations. You just accept it, else you won't be able to create an account. So here it says your account PayPal USD, okay. So this simply means the email link to that your PayPal account. So in my own case, I'll just write my email, which is slowmontana@gmail.com, okay. Gmail.com. That's some of the email I've used in time past. So your advanced cash USD, okay. So that is the email of your advanced cash, okay. You enter the same thing, okay. In this case, if it is the same, you just enter the same. I just copy and paste it because it is the same. Then the personal data below are filled only for a new client, okay. So read that correctly. You enter your password, confirm password, password auto generator, surname, first name, country, phone number, okay. SMS with digital code will be sent sent to it, okay, when receiving. So if you have additional email just for recovery, your Telegram, Instagram, Skype, on ICQ, okay, most of which are optional, okay, but try to fill about 2 or 3 out of it. So if you have a note you want to add, it was totally optional. So right here, then you input this code, okay, text on picture. So you write it out and you click on submit order. What it basically does is it creates an order for you, okay, which the order is going to be there for someone else to match with it. So it might take a little while, okay, for this order to get attended to. But once you create it, you can keep on checking your account or keep on checking your email. Once there is any, if your attention is needed on the order, they are definitely going to contact you, and you can definitely work on that, okay. You can reply. They might ask you for some screenshots, for some verification to be sure you own the PayPal account, because if you are going to run a third-party PayPal account, don't even send it to these guys, okay. They won't take it from you, because you know the issue with PayPal, right? So it's quite important you note all of this. So after which they are going to grant you access, you send it to the email provided to them, which they are going to credit your advanced cash account with that dollars, okay. Voila, that is it, and you have it in your account. Once you have it in your account, just as the usual, you can proceed to credit it to your Binance, okay. Credit to your Binance, convert it to USDT, that is a stable coin, and you can sell it for as high as 570, okay. The deduction rate or the charging rate of this website right here, magnatus.com, I think it's about 470 or 472, and we can sell it for as high as 570. Just that the little bit of drawback on here is this commission, okay. This is way too high, and of course we can all send them message if they can work on this, because 12% commission, that is way too high. We don't even get to pay more than 10% to our Lord Jesus Christ in the church, okay. Now I'm not religious, okay. I'm just trying to be funny, and it's crazy. It doesn't get lower than this. I'm even sitting here and laughing to my own jokes. That's crazy, right? So we don't get to pay more than 10%. That is for tithes in church, and this is charging about 12.9%. I think this is criminal, okay. This is criminal, okay. So that is basically it, okay. You can use that method, and to check the profitability, how much do you make, okay. How much do you make at the end of the day? I think you make within 2,000 to 3,000 naira on $100, okay. 2,000 to 3,000 naira on $100. So I'm going to clear this, and let's see if each $100 is giving us 3,000, okay. Each $100, so we say $5,000, because the maximum you can do is $5,000. Let's divide it by 100, okay. Let's divide it by 100, and let's see how many 100. How many 100 we say in 5,000, okay. That is I think something is wrong with this, okay. 5,000 5,000 divided by 100, that's about 50 or something, divided by 100. Okay, that should be about 50. Okay, so that is 0.5. I think it's 50. Okay, in 50 places we give us 5,000. So you make 2,000 on there. Okay, so that's, let's say 2,000, let's say 2.5. Okay, to be on the safer side. I think this is misbehaving. So let me type it out myself instead of clicking in 2,000 or 500. Let's multiply that by 50 and let's see what we get. Okay, let's multiply by 50. Okay, and that's going to give us about 125,000 naira. Okay, that is basically how this works. Okay, so this is a good opportunity. We can all utilize this and make some money from this. Okay, once again, I'm Sloo from Sloo Hustle. If you like this video, drop a comment, follow me on my Twitter account. Okay, the link is going to be in the description below. Okay, drop a comment and let me know what you think of how profitability this system is. Now that calculation is if you have a $5,000 to put. If you don't have up to that, then of course the profit margin is not going to be up to that. Okay, but you can keep on redoing it over and over. Okay, you just use the first method, rinse and reuse. Okay, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.